Browsing the parts right now while we wait for salesman to come back, see if he got what I want in stock. Mickey just picked up a new whip here. Just kidding. Out here at CarMax. They actually didn't have the, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but they didn't have the Q60 I wanted at the Audi. They didn't have any inventory. They actually sold all 6, so I didn't even have a chance to look at any of the used ones. But now we're here at CarMax. Homeboy here found these ones. I wanted to leave because I thought, and he told me to stay. And then we come to the back and we find these 2 beauties right here. So now we're just comparing these, and if not, we're gonna head to an Audi, which is close by, which is literally across the street from the Infiniti dealership. I checked their website and they actually have one red Sport in stock, all black, red interior. So I'm gonna go back there and see if I can haggle that price. If not, then I'm probably just gonna come back here. Picking up an R8.
Fuck you. Did you get me with what I was looking at on Instagram?
No, what were you looking at? Now I'm curious. I'm gonna go through the video again. You know, picking up an Audi.
She's an Instagrammer.
What?
Finish shooting for your video yet?
No.
What are you gonna shoot? Are you gonna like zoom in on my face? Like,
You're actually not that zoom in, but I don't even think I explained that I got a new whip.
well, here it is. Hey, this is a new whip. There's my new whip, and then there's that bitch's new
It's
whip.
so fucking windy. I'm pretty sure they can't even hear.
No, I'm pretty sure they can't. But new whips, Q squad. This fucker's a VQ or a VR30s.
He's VQ.
Any boys.
Yes. Beach boys.
Turbo Life, Spool Boys. So I ended up copping the Q60. They already had Infinitis. Boy Mickey got the Q50. Boy Sean got the fucking Q50 3.7. We're literally just taking photos right now.
I put my last $10 in gas.
Back home. Dude, that shit was sick. Dude, I honestly felt like it was like Fast and Furious. You know when they all get the police cars?
Yeah.
And Fast 5 and they all like are like on the line?
Yeah.
That's literally how we were. Did you feel like it was like Fast and Furious, you know, Fast 5 when they're all like
and
on
then I
the
felt my car fucking steering too far to the left.
Because of the fucking wind?
No, well that because the fire went down to 27.
It's all done. I got it. So if you guys are at the end of the video already, I did end up getting the car. So Q60 is officially mine. Now I have the Q60 and the Gen now. As far as future plans, I'm kind of set right now on selling the Gen. I know it's been a big part of this whole channel, and I love the car. I really do. It was my first car that I literally poured my blood and sweat into making and saving up for. But it really makes no sense for me to keep 2 sports cars, especially coupes, as I also live here in the apartments and I cannot have 2 vehicles here. It's currently at my mom's house right now. I've owned the Q60 for about 3 days now. I absolutely love it. What do you think, guys? Do you think I made the right decision? I actually think I did, because that car is so beautiful. I freaking love it. It's one of my favorite cars. If it isn't, it's definitely top 2, top 3 cars of one of the nicest looking cars out there that to this day, especially for under like 100,000. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of missed and mashed. I don't really know. Like, I'm hoping I got enough clips, or if everything was just going really quick. I was at the dealership for one day. I went to 3 different dealerships. So I went to the Infiniti dealership initially at first. That's where you guys saw me at the beginning of the video. I had went on their website, browsed a little bit. I found 2 Q60s that I liked. One was the black one. It was a sport model with red interior, and the other one was a white one as well. The white one was a bit cheaper since it wasn't a sport model, and I was hoping I could negotiate the price down to the price for that white model, because that's initially the price I wanted to get it at. Unfortunately, they didn't even have any of those in stock. The guy told me he had sold all of them already the past weekend, so I was out of luck. I ended up going down to CarMax. Thank you, Michael, because if you wouldn't have spotted those, we would have left, and I probably would have even picked up the Q60 today. We went on the lot. It's a pretty big lot. We go on the luxury side. We see nothing but the SUVs of the Q60, I believe was what they're called. Mercedes, BMWs, all on that side. Can't find a Q60. We see a couple Q50s there, but that's not what I wanted. Ready to leave. Michael's like, come on, let's go take a look at the Type R. We go look at a Type R. We were just looking at it. I didn't want to get one. But on that side, we see 2 Q60s, white ones. The one that I got and a different version. Just chilling right there. I look at the price tag. It fits perfectly, exactly my price range I wanted. So I know that CarMax doesn't haggle price. So I knew the price was going to be set. So I was like, okay. I checked the website. There was an Audi dealership literally across, like, not even a street, like literally right in the same lot of the Infiniti. I see that they have one Q60 in stock. It's a red sport, not a red sport, I'm sorry. It's a sport model with the red interior, the sport package. So I go over there to check it, to see if anything they would lower the price to the price that I have for the white one. In that case, I would get it. So in that case, it didn't work out. We almost ended up going through with that one. I'm very happy I didn't go with that one. And then I finished up at CarMax. Got my car. Awesome guy at the dealership, by the way. It's really awesome. And that's that, man. End of story. So I want to give a huge shout out to Michael, the homie. He came through, helped me. Could have done it without him. Went through together, got it, and everything. And so let me know what you guys think. What kind of stuff you guys want to see with the car. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.